the International Space Station. In a brilliant flash of light, the space shuttle blasts off from a launching iPad. It is heading towards the International Space Station, or ISS. The shuttle carries food, equipment, and supplies to this place where astronauts live and work. The ISS circles Earth more than 150 miles above our planet's atmosphere. If you look down on the ISS, you would see something that looks like a giant bird. The bird's wings are actually solar panels. These capture energy for the station. The body of the bird contains life and a place to eat, sleep, and relax. Both Russia and the United States had plans for a space station. They knew that building a station together would be cheaper. Once two countries were convinced that the project could be successful, they unite their plans and work together. Then other countries plunged into the project. Then countries include Japan, Canada, France, and Italy. Since the year 2000, humans have lived on the space station. Their days are very busy. Some astronauts complete experiments. Others work as mechanics, using robot arms to fix machines. Some workers grow plants. All astronauts are highly trained. Their action must be swift and sure when problems arise. Working in space is a dangerous job. Sometimes an astronaut must work outside. To do so, he or she puts on a spacesuit and takes a spacewalk outside the station. Conditions in space are harsh. It is very cold outside the space station and there is no air there. A human cannot endure these conditions without the special suit. Moving around in space is not easy either. Gravity doesn't hold the body in one place. There is always the danger of floating away. Astronauts must tie themselves down when sleeping, cooking, or exercising. On the plus side, heavy things seem light in space. Astronauts can lift and move huge pieces of equipment in space. The space station is as big as a football field. Keeping it clean is on the to-do list. Astronauts must cook for themselves too. They must exercise 2 hours a day to stay strong. Free time is precious. It is often spent taking photographs, reading, writing emails home, or just glancing out the window at Earth below. The International Space Station is a remarkable workplace in space. Exciting discoveries come from research being done there. Most important countries are joining together to explore the ultimate frontier, space.